साबिक नायब वज़ीर-ए-आला कवींद्र गुप्ता ने नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के रुकन पार्लियामेंट हसनैन मसूदी के बयान पर रद्द-ए-अमल जाहिर किया। उन्होंने कहा कि अगरचे कम तादाद में इनकाउंटर हो रहे हैं, लेकिन मसूदी को ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए कि कश्मीर में पथराव के वाकयात में कमी दर्ज हुई है और अलहदगी पसंदी का रुझान भी खत्म हो गया है। हालांकि पिछली हुकूमतों में इनकाउंटरों की शरह काफी ज्यादा हुआ करती थी। कवींद्र गुप्ता कहते हैं कि हसनैन मसूदी को कौमी सलामती के मामलात पर एहतियात से बयान देना चाहिए।
He has been fair enough to admit that it has yet to be integrated. Why? Because the time has shown what are the events that are taking place in Jammu Kashmir. As we sit here in this house, a battle is going on in a suburb of my constituency. It is not in an interior. And there are back-to-back 15 encounters, 15 conflicts have been there since 1st January, and the conflicts, the encounters have claimed lives of more than 50.
Please conclude.
And the civilians. Sir, so we have not achieved anything by taking the decisions that were on 5th August. So this parliament, this house, while taking those decisions, is under an obligation to go for an introspection.
Thank you very much.
Seconds. Just wait for 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. Sir, then...
We are having so many members.
No, just 2 minutes. Sir, I fully support the suggestions made by Madam Supriya ji and also...
Thank you. Shri Chirag Paswan ji.
Just 2 minutes.
Ek second.
Within 2 minutes.
Paswan ji, conclude in 1 minute.
Within 2 minutes.
Conclude. Chirag ji, ek second.
Within 2 minutes.
Conclude kijiye.
So there is, I mean, whatever is happening on ground demands a shift in approach, and the shift to... Second is that, see, we of late we have seen in this 17th Lok Sabha, we have seen that the conventional tools of the parliament, that is like adjourn motion.
Conclude.
I come to the the tools that are known and recognized universally recognized tools of a parliamentarian that have not been.
Thank you very much.